Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider. This video is brought to you by Miss Sabrina Bowman. She asked me to make a video about mortgage points and to explain what exactly are mortgage points and how do they work. You hear that word a lot in the mortgage industry, points. And hey, am I paying points for my rate? So I thought we'd make a video per Sabrina. She asked us, hey Angelo, can you explain what are mortgage points? So this video is mortgage points explained. Because it's important. It's costs, it's fees passed on to you, and you got to know what they're for. So when you're buying a house, now this doesn't matter whether you're purchasing real estate assets, residential assets, any type of real estate related, there's going to be some type of fees involved, and points are a major component of a settlement or a closing. So basically, in summary, points are used to buy down the interest rate on mortgage, on the loan. Okay, this is not origination fees. I'm not talking about a loan origination fee. I'm talking about mortgage points, all right? So points are prepaid interest. Essentially, the way it works is if you could imagine that, let's say that your qualifying rate was 5% that you got approved for from your lender, and you said, well, I'm not really happy with a 5% rate. I'd like to have a 4% rate. So how do you get it from 5% to 4%? Right? So that's when you buy points. So that's what that means. That if you want to buy down your interest rate, you can buy down your interest rate to a lower rate. Now, obviously, it's not free to do that because a lender is not going to just go from 5 to 4 unless they get some upfront money. That's why it's called a buy down. So the way that it works is usually, now every mortgage company or lender operates different. Usually, you'll pay 2 points for every 1% drop in the interest rate. So if the rate was 5%, and you want to go to 4%, and you're doing let's just say a $500,000 loan, you would spend $10,000, 5% times 2 equals $10,000 to drop the interest rate from 5% to 4%. So if you pay the lender upfront $10,000 in this example, then you can drop the interest rate 1 percentage point. So now those points can be rolled into the loan. They can be paid out of pocket by you. There's a lot of options. The other thing is that it's prepaid interest, so you're able to write it off on your taxes. So it is a tax write-off because it's mortgage interest expense. So if at the end of the year you get a 1098 statement, you're actually allowed to write off that interest. So it's really powerful. It's a great thing to do, to be able to write off the prepaid interest. And if you're going to be usually in the property for a long time, it makes a lot of sense to look at buying down your interest rate. If you're only going to be in the property a few years, it wouldn't make sense to spend the money. Now, how you determine the amount is you take your loan amount, multiply by the percentage of points, and that'll equal how much it costs. So take the loan amount, multiply by how many points you're going to be using, and that will tell you what the cost is. So in this example, a $500,000 loan times 2 points is $10,000, and it'll drop your interest rate a whole percentage point. And the thing is that a 1% difference on a $500,000 loan in 30 years is a massive amount of money. It's about $100,000. So it makes sense to, buy down an interest rate because you're spending $10,000 to save $100,000. So it's a huge savings. But you have to be in the home for a long time, 30 years. So just look at it and see. But that's what mortgage points are. Remember, with our company, we're a direct nationwide lender. So you can call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331, or you can click on the link on the YouTube description to apply to get pre-approved right here. So either way, whatever works for you, we'll call you back. We're open 7 days a week. You can call or text that number, or you can be proactive and get started to get your application going. And remember, if you know anyone that's looking to get a mortgage, please share this video with them. Refer your friends, family, whoever you can. We'd love to help you guys in any capacity that we can. Hopefully you love the video, you love the content. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and give us a big thumbs up. We really appreciate you. Don't forget to check out Talk with Angelo every Thursday, 7 p.m. Central. Thank you so much for watching the show, and check out my next video, and thank you so much.